Welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Friday, September the 9th, I've got two press releases for you. Not unexpected. It's Labor Day week, essentially. Not a ton of news coming out, and it is a Friday. First one comes out of China Green Agriculture, CGA, on the New York Stock Exchange. They announced their fiscal 2011 numbers, and they've given us guidance for their 2012 revenues and net income. This is a producer and distributor of fertilizer products in China. I gotta like that business. It's a staple. It's a staple product in a growing country. Here are the highlights. Revenues are up 245% to 179.7. Let's call it $180 million. That beat guidance. Net income up 55% to $33 million. That turns out to be earnings per share of $1.27. Now, given the fact the company closed at $4.42 yesterday, you've got a company trading at 3.5 times earnings. Now, this morning, they're up strong. They're up 17.5% to $5.20. That's up 78 cents on 317,000 shares. The market obviously loves the news. But even at 520, you've got a company trading here close to maybe 4 times earnings, and they're growing the top line by 245%. So that's pretty cheap. I know that China has its issues. I know there are credibility problems, so you're going to have to do your own due diligence. But like I've said, there's going to be a mountain, quote me when I tell you this, a mountain of money is going to be made out of China once the wheat separate from the chaff and we figured out who the fraudulent reverse mergers are and who are the real companies. But in the meantime, those are some pretty impressive numbers that are worth your to continue research. Over on the venture side, Versatile Systems, TSX Venture, VV, they put out their fourth quarter and 2011 results. I'm going to leave it to 2011 because it's more comprehensive for obvious reasons. Revenue, $45.9 million. Gross profit, $10.1 million. Now, they had a net loss of $98,000, but that's compared to a net loss of $1.2 million in the year previous. Sorry for that Friday morning jitters. So that's, even though they're not generating a massive net profit, what I like here is their growing revenues, their gross profits are up, losses are down, they're going in the right direction. The company closed yesterday at 6 cents. Today, they're still sitting at 6 cents, no change. Big bid of 140,000 shares at 5.5, but not a lot of action. And not surprising, but this is the kind of company you may want to keep a look at because they're doing $45 million in revenue, and it looks like they've got a market cap of $10 million, just $10 million. If you're nervous about the losses, like I said, they're pretty much a break even. You go from 1.2 million to 98,000 losses, you're pretty much a break even. And next year, given the fact that they improved their bottom line by 1.1 million, I wouldn't be surprised to see these guys turn a $0.5 to $1 million profit. So this has got to be on your radar. By the way, what do? They provide IT services for the implementation, maintenance, and security of mission-critical computer environments. And more than lip service, 45.9, called $46 million in revenue, tells you that they're doing pretty well at that. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you're looking for more great small cap companies and you're watching this on Globe Investor, then take a look at the resource companies we've covered to below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're watching this on Globe Investor. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend.